I received this package from a dealer in Canada last week. I purchased every stamped souvenir sheet that he had to offer. He had 4 of each that he was selling individually for the price listed. So you can see it costs quite a bit. This set is from Togolaise. It's actually 2 sets, the souvenir sheets from Togolaise. This is the rebuilding of the uncut sheet. It is basically unique. Thus, this is very rare. To be able to know which position these were in, I matched the scissor cuts, which, as you can see, every one is unique. After matching the scissor cuts, I was able to verify that all of the pieces were from the one press sheet. If the seller had sold any of these, this would not ever be possible to do again, because they would be scattered around the world. These are called the double souvenir sheets. Mr. Bolesky is the one that made this. He was the buyer of the uncut press sheets from the archive of the Format International Security printers. And basically, sheets like this are unique. There was only one saved in the archive. Most of the uncut press sheets have damage. This one was folded down the middle. It was also folded this way, but that section, which was at one time a gutter, was cut out. This particular uncut press sheet, as I said, was from Togolaise. It is from 2 different sets. It's the souvenir sheets from both issues, all placed on one uncut press sheet. And there you have it, a rebuilt press sheet, which will probably never be seen in this state again.